Talkie Soulful AI, a visually immersive chatbot in the evolving field of artificial intelligence, which has diversified its ecosystem in all fields. One of the most prominent examples has become apparent, which is Talkie AI, a distinctive, unique AI chatbot with several characters. It provides a visually immersive chatting experience, a great way to engage users along with different characters by using cutting-edge natural language processing for better comprehension and response to all the users. Moreover, it's not specified to a particular age, but also entails intriguing features for all adults, with a few other significant specs, including a voice messaging option and many more. Here's how to download Talkie Soulful AI. Firstly, you have to download the Mimu installer and complete the setup. Now, initiate Mimu and open Google Play and finish the entire setup. Afterwards, browse Talking AI Mode APK on Google Play, but if you're an iPhone user, search Talkie AI on the App Store. Then install Talkie. Once the download's complete, tap the start icon. Let's explore the most notable features of Talkie Soulful AI. Visually immersive chat experience. It's a unique chatbot that captivates you in an interactive chatting experience with approximately 50 AI-based characters from different niches, including gaming, anime, and movies. Moreover, it has a voice messaging feature that efficiently utilizes NLP, which makes conversations more natural. Extensive range of AI characters. As mentioned earlier, it offers approximately 50 amazingly customized AI characters with distinctive personalities. More interestingly, users would be allowed to customize their voices, appearances, and more all by themselves. Easy to use. Talkie AI is now widely regarded as an amazing and unique AI chatbot that offers an enhanced user experience, which is efficiently designed to cater for an extensive range of audiences, irrespective of tech professionally. Moreover, you can personalize profiles in chat histories. Safety features are also in place to allow control over content visibility and user interaction.